dykes and ferries tell me where it's empty. Tax the rich, feed the poor, till they are rich no more.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, times like these, I hate to say, yeah. Lord, if you see the bitch go my way, like leaving right from the floor when I'm straight, yeah. Life sacrifice in the right, my life. Living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, I walk for the time, more like you. Yeah, I be putting fire with the things I like. I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded, low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Finding comfort in the zones of clouds and bones I get used to. A mountain is spontaneous, spinning in monsoon and grinning is high octane. Explosive how I came, rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat, catch a second wind, thin is the air I breathe. Teary-eyed, nose running, wipe the snot on my sleeve. I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me my behavior, have me lost in light speed.
And the tears after losing the feelings of what you thought love was. Like the dirt still looking in the mirror like what you gon' do. The only one stopping you right now is you. Yeah, I promise I'ma fight, working every single night, cause it's not where you're from, but where you going to. A natural part of life, yeah, I know that things change. Been trying to manage green like my name was Annie Ainge. Paid all the haters, no mind, they must know Tech 9, cause now the new music sounds strange. Big city dreams, but a small town kid. I had to take a chance, had to do what I did. Yes, I had to fucking try, I don't even know why, but I really had faith that I'ma do it big. Now Team Henny, yeah, I promise that's a crew. Been trying to change the world, hope the message get through. Yes, you've been down from the start, so I love you with my heart. So if it's the last thing you do, just put your hands up to the sky. Promise you won't let me go. We don't got, we multiply. Going where they never go. Put your hands up to the sky. Promise you won't let me go. We don't got, we multiply. Going where they never go. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And if you're trying to live a dream, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Live the life you wanna know what it means. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And if you're riding with the team, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yo, started with a vision, now I hope they all see that money buys things, but love is all free. I went and put mass on my back, west side to be exact. Now I'm up like I'm drinking coffee. I had to feel lost just so I could find my purpose. Memories are priceless and prices are worthless. Realized every single one on this earth is rich when you have something that they can't purchase. Speaking for the people who ain't even got a voice, I know it feels sometimes you ain't got a choice. Yeah, now you feel stressed, but realize you're really blessed. And this is just a test and you can rejoice. Yes, Team Henny, yeah, I promise that's a crew. Been trying to change the world, hope the message get through. Yes, you've been down from the start, so I love you with my heart. So if it's the last thing you do, just put your hands up to the sky. Promise you won't let me go.